Creating an article or editing an article has never been easier. Give it a title, My New Article. I'm going to encourage you to leave the alias empty or blank. Let Joomla figure that out and insert it for you later. It'll help with SEO. The category. What category am I going to put this in? Uncategorized is all the way at the bottom, but you'll notice the nested categories all the way down that we've already talked about. Is it published? Is it public? It can be set for any access level that you've defined. You can set the permissions for this particular article. So let's say I wanted registered users to actually be able to edit this article, which I don't really understand why you would, but let's just for fun say that a registered user can actually edit this article all by themselves. So you'd set that ACL. Now it won't update until we save and then come back in. Is it a featured article, which means it would be on the home page in this result? Who created it? It would be created by me once I hit saved. What's the date? When do I want it to start publishing? And when do I want it to finish publishing? This is really cool. I can create it today. I can have it published as soon as I hit save, and I can have it stop publishing on February the 28th at just around 3 p.m. The buttons up here, save is the old apply. It'll save the article and put it live to the site. That's something you need to make sure you understand because it's published. If I want to be able to work on an article and not have it on the site, then I need to make sure that the state is unpublished. So I can work on my article, get it the way I want it, and then hit publish and hit save. Now if I want to save and be done with it, I can hit save and close. Save and new opens up a new one. Save as a copy, which would then make a copy of the article for my site. Close without saving at all. You'll notice once I save the article, registered users can now come in and edit this article, but only this article. And this is what access control is for. You can toggle the editor so you can just work in pure HTML. You can use the new editor, which allows you to see the color coordinated code. Let me just show you that real quickly. I'm going to save and close. Come over to my profile, and I'm going to change the editor to code mirror. Come back to my article. And now I've got a nice little HTML editor that allows me to see a little bit more clearly what my HTML is like. I wish it would auto-complete, but it doesn't. This is a sample, but it gives you a little bit better view of what's going on in your HTML. All right, so I can publish my article now, and I put it in the sample data articles category. So if I come back over to my home page, I can do a quick search for it, and here's my new article. To edit an article, just click on the title, and I've switched back to the default WYSIWYG editor just to show us what that looks like. I can bold, italic, underline text. It's a little bit like Word, but it's not. So don't think this is Microsoft Word because it's far from it. But I can right justify, left justify. I can change the way the tags are in the article. Let's make that an H3. I can insert an image. Unfortunately, image insertion without JCE is practically useless using the editor. However, I can use the image button down here, and it allows me to go through and find the images I want to insert. It also allows me to upload an image right here. I can also include a link to another article. I can insert a page break. And if I want, I can have a read more up here that breaks the introductory text from the rest of the body text. Alright, so let's go take a look at this article, which we've now totally corrupted. You notice I have page 1 of 7. There's the link to that other article I inserted. The next page. The next page. As you can see, I totally ruined this article. Joomla automatically sets up a table of contents for me, as well as lets me see all pages at once. And that's article administration.